Hello dear aspirants, let's understand the concept of social stratification, which is in paper 1 as well as paper 2. Social stratification refers to understanding society from various divisions in the society. Stratification can be based on class, stratification can be based on gender, stratification can be based on educational qualification, stratification can be based on hierarchy of the power, stratification can be based on rural, urban. So the word stratification refers to understanding the different layers of the society and sections of the society so that we can provide the social mobility. So social stratification is there in paper 1 both as well as paper 2. So in every society, stratification is present where the people in the society were divided into different classes, different layers and different divisions. So in the process, social stratification now helps in understanding whether social justice is happening or not, whether wealth is redistributed or not, whether power is redistributed or not. So in the context of social stratification, we just need to understand how the different classes exist in the society, how their socio-economic status is there, so that we can provide better opportunity for them. So recently Government of India announced that for the first time we are going to conduct caste census. So Supreme Court also gave a judgment that SC reservation should be reorganized. So which means they are understanding social stratification to ensure that more and more social justice happens in the society. So OBC reservations, again sub-classification of the reservations, affirmative actions for poorest of the poor. So when government is deciding welfare policies, social stratification helps in understanding targeting vulnerable sections. So once we know social stratification, government can come up with the welfare policies, affirmative actions to achieve inclusive growth. So at Vishnu IAS, we are going to launch Sociology optional from June 9th. So let's try to understand social stratification holistically, scientifically, so that you become part of the policy making in the future, so that you can transform Indian society. Thank you.